Hey guys, in this video we'll be solving Leetcode number 58, length of a last word. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal string consisting of non-space characters only. In example 1, as you can see, S is hello world, and the output is 5, and that's because world has got 5 characters in it. So that's why we return 5, and it's the last word. Same with over here, the input S is fly me to the moon, the last word is moon, moon has got 4 letters, so we return 4. So for the solution, we first have to take care of any edge cases. So like as you can see in example 2, there's spaces at the beginning and at the end. So in order to remove these spaces at the beginning and end, we can use the .strip method in Python. And this will get rid of the white spaces in the beginning and end. And then since we want to get the final word, what we can do is we can first split each word after a space. We can do this by using the .split method like this. So we can say split each word after a space, and then it's stored inside a variable. What we can simply do then is return the last word in this variable by doing a simple return statement, the variable name, and then -1, which will get us the last word. And since we want the length, we'll be using the len method as well. Okay, so now let's code up the solution. So first we'll create a variable called remove spacing equals s.strip. This is where we use the strip method. And then we can create a variable called words equals remove underscore spacing dot split, because we want to store each word after a space. And then we can simply return the length of words, and we want to get the last word, so you simply do square brackets -1. And now if we run this, as you can see, our test cases have passed. And now if we submit, so our runtime was 38 milliseconds and beats 33.75%. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.